Hello fellow math, I am Dr. Vilva and meet my friend Brinda.
Hi, you just found me in UK, that is unknown to known channel. Here, numbers stop being scary and start to say story. Let us involve, learn and win.
In this video, we are going to discuss the 2-mark questions from chapter 1. We have already covered the core concepts of this chapter as well as the 1-mark questions in previous videos. You can find all of those links in the description below. You can typically expect at least one 2-mark question from this chapter in your exams. Let us look at our very first question. Find the smallest number which is divisible by both 644 and 462.
Wait a moment, Vilma. I wanted to say something to our fellow math. Dear fellow math, please pause the video at each question. Try to solve it by yourself first and then continue watching to check your solution. Doing this will really help you to learn and it gives you a massive confidence boost every time you crack the correct answer.
Superb idea, Vrinda. So, please pause the video. Once you are done, come back to see the solution. I hope you have done. Now, we will see the solution. To find the smallest number divisible by both numbers, we need to find the least common multiple, that is LCM. We will use the prime factorization method for this. Prime factorization of 644 is 2 square times 7 times 23. Prime factorization of 462 is 2 times 3 times 7 times 11. To find the LCM, we take the highest power of each prime factor present in the numbers. Maximum of 2 square and 2 is 2 square. So we are taking 2 square. We also include the remaining factors, that is 3, 7, 11 and 23. Therefore, LCM of 644 and 462 is 2 power 2 times 3 times 7 times 11 times 23, which is 21,252. Therefore, the final answer, the smallest number divisible by both 644 and 462 is 21,252. Let us move on to our next question. This one is a little tricky. The question is, two numbers are in the ratio 4:5 and their HCF is 11. We have to find LCM of these numbers. Let us look at the solution. Since the two numbers are given in ratio, we cannot just take them as it is. That is, we cannot take 4 and 5. Instead, we represent them as 4a and 5a, where a is their common factor. Whenever we are writing in ratios, common factors will get cancelled. We have left out with some number. That's why we are considering 4a and 5a instead of 4:5. By definition, the highest common factor between 4a and 5a is a. Since the problem states that HCF is 11, we can directly conclude that our common factor a is 11. We can solve this problem in two different methods. One is the direct one. A is 11. Therefore, our first number is 4a, which means 4 times 11 equal to 44. Similarly, second number is 5a, which is 55. Now, we find the LCM of 44 and 55 using prime factorization. Prime factorization of 44 is 2 square times 11. 55 is 5 times 11. LCM of these two numbers is 2 square times 5 times 11, which is 220. The second method saves lot of time, provided if you know this formula. LCM equal to product of the ratio terms times HCF. The given ratio is 4:5. So, the product of the ratio term is 4 into 5. Therefore, LCM is 4 times 5 times 11, which is 220. As you can see, both methods give us the exact same answer. The LCM of the two numbers is 220. Those are the only 2 mark questions in this unit. In our next video, we are going to discuss the 3 mark questions from chapter 1. Thank you. Let us involve, learn and win.